Welcome. If you want to change log method in your LG G6, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the general and then tap on the lock screen and the security. Select screen lock, and currently we set up the swipe, so we can change it for the double knock, I think. Yeah, let's set it up. So click here. We are not going to require the code, so select no thanks, click next. One more time, and let's tap our knock code. Click next, do the same. And right now we have also to adjust the notifications, so let's take it for the all notifications. Click OK, and right now we can check how it works, so let's lock our device, and right now we have to knock our code, and as you can see it's working. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.